Hello everyone, welcome back to sriaathmayoga. Today we are going to learn how to do Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let us do Adho Mukha Svanasana. From table pose, exhale and raise your knees up. Straighten both the elbows and knees. Heels touching the floor, ears touching the inner arms. Try to press the shoulders towards knee. Hold the posture and close your eyes. Give gentle attention to your head. Since blood circulation increases to your head, it will stimulate hair growth and prevent hair fall. Adho Mukha Svanasana improves eyesight, hearing, focus, and concentration. Stay here for 5 counts. Give gentle attention to your hands. This will stretches the shoulders and strengthens the arms. Stay here for 5 counts. Now give gentle attention to your legs. This will stretches the hamstring, calves and strengthens the legs. This asana also cures digestion problems. Stay here for 5 counts. By focusing our attention on a particular region, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 tissues, and flow of our thought are stabilized and blockages in those regions are removed. Now, slowly drop your knees and relax. Let us come to benefits of Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch and strengthens shoulders, hamstrings, calves and hands. Calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Strengthens the core. Helps to get relief from the problems that occur during menopause. We have learned Adho Mukha Svanasana today. Practice it regularly. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.